In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ExpressVPN Aircove. ExpressVPN Aircove is a Wi-Fi 6 router that comes with Express, which means you can protect all the devices on your home network at once, including devices that normally don't support VPN apps, like smart TVs, game consoles, and many smart home products. In this walkthrough, we'll go from the physical setup all the way to confirming that everything is working properly. First, unpack the Aircove router and attach the antennas to the back of the unit. Make sure they're secured properly, since this helps provide a stable wireless signal throughout your home. Next, find the blue Ethernet cable included in the box. Plug one end into the LAN port on your modem or existing internet gateway, and plug the other end into the blue internet port on the back of the Aircove. After that, connect the power adapter and plug the router into a wall outlet. Give it about 1 to 2 minutes to boot up and wait until the status light stops flashing and becomes solid. Once the router is powered on, you'll need to connect to its temporary setup network. On your laptop, tablet, or phone, open the Wi-Fi menu and look for a network named Aircove, followed by a short identifier. Select that network, then enter the default Wi-Fi password printed on the sticker on the bottom of the router. This gets you connected to the router's initial setup environment. Now open a web browser and type expressvpnrouter.com into the address bar. If needed, you can also use the local IP address shown in the instructions. When the setup page appears, click Get Started. The wizard will ask you to create your own Wi-Fi network name and password. Choose something easy for you to recognize and make sure the password is strong and unique. After that, create a separate admin password for the router dashboard. This is important because it controls access to your router settings, so don't reuse your regular Wi-Fi password here. Next, sign into your ExpressVPN account in a separate browser tab and copy the activation code from your account dashboard. Return to the Aircove setup page, paste the activation code into the field provided, and click Sign In. Then choose your preferences for automatic updates and diagnostic reporting, and finish the setup. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you can organize devices using device groups. Create a group, give it a name, choose a server location for that group, and then drag the devices you want into it. This is useful if you want different devices to use different VPN locations, or if you want some devices to bypass the VPN. Finally, open a private or incognito browser window and visit the IP checking page listed in the setup process. Confirm that the IP address and location shown match the server location assigned